E get one Sierra Leone woman, she no gree make dem bury her dead body o. In herself dey wonder say how person wey don die no go gree make dem bury im dead body. As the matter be, they say all these people wey dey carry coffin, na know them na wey dey go dey dance. See as they dey carry this thing dey go the burial ground, the thing dey lead them to another road. I come dey wonder, the spirits dey for front hold their leg dey move them, so yeah, go this person house. Abi how the matter take happen? As the thing be, all of us know say juju dey work. We know say juju dey work, but make una watch this video.
Correct.
And I don't see as people gather face this man, abi whoever they carry this person house go, this coffin go in house. See, na him kill the person. In fact, people wey dey there talk say this man na ritualist. Say for their land, na so e dey be. Say if person kill person, abi if you get one kind death wey be say the death dey weird. You know, some people now they go die. You go see they go put knife, put things inside their coffin. Say if they get all this kind death, now there the family go come do things. Say make this spirit go disturb this person. So as they do this thing, where they call, let's say they call this person ghost for the coffin, the person now can't direct them go this place. But I can't ask. So if the person they live for like, I don't know, one kind far distance, so we say you go even enter plane. Now so they will carry the coffin and all of them go follow them. They go this place. Why be saying now don't just call the as now they call the person, call them, tell them, okay, this is also person will kill you. Go face the person privately. This one now, this man fit even be innocent person, no? If you even don't know anything about this matter, but as they talk Sierra Leone people say this thing are true. So no be today that they do one well. Say now because now religion don't even day. Now make people know they too notice. Say juju they work. People wey know their African power, say African power still there. Now because now everybody don't believe in God, believe in Islam. Now make all these kind of things not to they work like this. I mean I believe this thing, no, because you go see some place they go call ghosts, they will call this one. Don't be only Nigerian film, they happen, no. If they happen real, people don't talk their mind. Say yeah, say some boy even talk saying grandpapa. When the grandpapa died, they call him ghost. The papa na him can't talk who kill him. So all these kind of things they happen. But me, the woman don't die, she don't die. This man when I go call, if you be say he no even know anything about, now go come kill innocent man. Now go do jungle justice now, kill this person. The person don't die. Making a do and we be say the person go face the person by himself. No be matter say now go gather for person house. They shout. Say when I see the video now, people they even the block itself, me I never even to they hear. See, and this they are pigeons, if you pass normal pigeon. I know they hear anything. But based on person where that and they don't talk say, now this man, I say the man a ritualist. Say now so him they kill people. As I know say this man they kill people. And I don't go report them since. And I no report, but because of say today now, coffee don't lead you now to this place. Now can't carry person body. Say, make an keep on there now. If you not keep on there, what did the man want do? Now the man go back. No be in family now. Nothing we go even use the body do. No, now go lose. That's why don't that way body go rest in peace. Now I can't carry him. Say, the spirits they lead on a leg. I don't see any spirits for this video. The spirit supposed show. I be the spirit tie on a leg. Say, now this Mr. This thing I kill him. This kind of matter self, we go just they look and say, we sabi, we get juju. Some juju self, people like say, all these things have now fake stories. All these juju self sometimes, if they wash out, no be real things. Make we they use our brain, they do things. If you want pick, go. In fact, just leave everything to God. Make God judge this man by himself. If God talk, say this person no go even die, the person no go die. So all this one, what they do self, now gra. Anyways, now here I go drop this matter. Anything way I feel about this matter, making a comment, making a talk on our mind. And also some people say they don't experience this kind of thing. When people they say juju no they work, they believe say yes, juju they and juju they work. So making a comment about this whole matter, I go there they reply on our comments. Then making don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel as I go see you on for our next story.